Unraveling Idioms. Sing like a canary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase from the English language, sing like a canary. This idiom has a colorful background and an interesting meaning that goes beyond its literal interpretation. If you've ever been curious about English idioms and their usage, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to sing like a canary together. At first glance, sing like a canary might bring to mind the image of someone singing beautifully, as canaries are known for their melodious chirps. However, in English, this phrase has a figurative meaning that's quite different from simply singing well. It is used to describe someone who informs on others or spills secrets, especially to authorities. The idiom is often associated with individuals who divulge information they're supposed to keep private, sometimes in exchange for their own safety or benefits. The phrase, sing like a canary, has its roots in early 20th century America. Canaries were once used in coal mines to detect dangerous gases. If the canary stopped singing, miners knew to evacuate. Over time, the term evolved in the criminal underworld to describe someone who sings to the police or authorities, giving away secrets to save themselves. This transformation in meaning highlights the adaptability of language and how context can shift an idiom's interpretation. Understanding how to use sing like a canary in a sentence is key to grasping its nuanced meaning. Here are a few examples. After being caught, the thief sang like a canary to reduce his sentence. The company insider sang like a canary when the journalists promised anonymity. In the movie, the character sang like a canary the moment he was interrogated. These examples show the phrase being used to describe someone revealing information or secrets, especially under pressure or as a means of self-preservation. We hope this exploration of the idiom, sing like a canary, has been enlightening and adds a colorful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, idioms like this one add richness and depth to our conversations, allowing us to convey complex ideas in a few words. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use sing like a canary when the moment is right. Until our next video, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.